Ebony Bikini Chef again. So I don't know what happened. Camera cut off. I don't know if I did it or when I was trying to show y'all about the spaghetti surprise. But either way, it's done. Alexa, you can stop the timer.
2 minutes.
Thank you. All right, so I don't want to take the chance after what happened with me dropping the whole cup in there, the whole bottle in there. So I'm going to do it from here. Okay, so I'm using this. It's a lot easier. That's why I didn't want to use the counter. This is enough spaghetti. For me, it will probably take me like 3 days. Knowing him, he gonna eat half the day and half tomorrow. But this is the only thing I got big enough to put his spaghetti in. He's gonna have to bring a container. He got way bigger containers than I do. Man, I gotta clean my stove, my walls. Next time I'm gonna do my homemade stove thingy.